History of Carver Yachts, pioneers in boat building. Founded in 1954 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Carver Yachts traces its roots to the partnership of Charlie Carter and George Verhagen. Contrary to popular myth, they initiated boat building in a factory on South 27th rather than a backyard garage. Both seasoned marine industry experts, they transitioned from selling boats to crafting mahogany runabouts. In 1963, the duo sold the business to Wally, Markham and Glen Nordin, previously associated with Cruisers Yachts. Under their stewardship, Carver Boat Corporation evolved, embracing fiberglass construction and expanding from a regional to an international presence. Best Inventions. Embracing innovation in yacht design, Carver Yachts became synonymous with innovation, particularly with its shift to fiberglass-based construction. The introduction of the Marquis Yachts line in 2004, featuring the 59 and 65 Motor Yachts, showcased the company's commitment to cutting-edge design and craftsmanship. Over 100 of the 65 Motor Yachts were proudly built in Pulaski, Wisconsin, from 2005 to 2008, marking a significant chapter in Carver's legacy. The fall, end of an era. In 2021, Carver Yachts faced a transformative event as it closed its doors permanently on July 30th. The company's journey, spanning decades and continents, came to an end, leaving behind a legacy of craftsmanship and innovation. Carver's acquisition by Marquis Larson Boat Group and subsequent closure marked the conclusion of a chapter in the history of yacht building.